Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is absence. It is pronounced ab-sence, and it is spelt A-B-S-E-N-C-E. Think ab and then sense with a C. Absence means the state of being away or not present. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone or something not being there. For example, you could say, his absence from school was noticed by the teacher. Or, the absence of colour in her painting made it boring. The word absence comes from the Latin word absentia, which means being away. If you are absent, you are away. If someone is given a trial in absentia, it means they are not physically there when the trial is going on. The term is still used today in criminal court proceedings. For example, in the film Toy Story 2, Woody feels the absence of his owner Andy, who was away at summer camp and chose to leave him behind. This absence leads Woody and all the other toys to try and come up with new ways to play until Andy returns. Synonyms for absence include lack, non-attendance, and missing. Antonyms for absence are presence, attendance, and being there. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, absence. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show. And don't worry, we won't be absent.